just want to highlight that the two big things I will be covering will be covered very, very quickly. Okay. All right, let's go. So number one, the elephant in the room, Hyperverse. Okay. Apparently, my super emotional responses to them have prevented them from turning off and changing the smart contract. So apparently the HVT smart contract is still live. Yay! Now that's a small win, okay? That's a small win. Because it just means that they don't want to move away from the status quo, okay? They are not running, okay? They're not just gonna close the smart contract and, as per their press release, consequently put an end to all HVT withdrawals, okay? So again, congratulations, everyone. It's a small win, but I'll take it, okay? I'll take it.
Take it.
Now, I will also request, Tammy, that this time next week, we do a 6:30 US time Hyperverse update. Okay?
Done.
Because you know what? Yes, it's a small win that they didn't turn off the smart contract. Okay? But it still leaves us in limbo.
Yeah.
And you know what? I hate it when things are not moving forward. And I'm pretty sure you guys hate it too.
We do.
Okay? So let's move forward. But give me a week. Give me a week so that my team has put a roadmap together, okay, for us to deliver. Deliver, 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 okay? So, 6:30, okay. 30 minutes is all I need to get you guys excited about me building Hyperverse.
Ooh.
Okay? For reals this time. For reals this time.
Ooh.
And look at Kirsten. She's all excited. And guess what? 6:30 prime time Wednesday next week, okay, which is 1 week away. Is it 6 more sleeps or 7? 7. I think it's 7, right? Yeah, sorry. 7 more sleeps away. Tammy, please. All right, my team is already overloaded, so you just have to do the whole stable down legacy, countdown thing, right? You have to get into Microsoft Paint and then just draw some terrible looking graphics, okay? Doing 7-day countdowns, right?
7-day countdown.
7-day countdowns, please. Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow is -7.
Yes, -7.
Yeah.
7-day countdown for me to put together the roadmap to build the Hyperverse. Okay. Remember how there's a great white paper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Remember how there's all these amazing things that I talked about in the white paper. Okay. And you know how everybody was excited, they participated with their life savings, and then subsequently nothing happened. Nothing was built.
We remember that.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to do the exact opposite. 6:30 tomorrow. Stay tuned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build Hyperverse. Okay. And all you guys have to do is sign up. Because firstly, I don't have the login, okay? I don't have V data on the Hyperverse. I don't even know how much HVT you guys have, everything that, you know, your positioning in Hyperverse, whether you're a V5 or not, I don't know. You know what? I don't really care, because at the end of the day, that's your relationship with corporate, not my relationship with you. My relationship with you starts with me just building everything and asking for you guys to just sign up for free. Okay? Just sign up for free. Now, what happens after you sign up for free? Well, there is no box or address to send your hard-earned money into. Okay? I just want you guys to put a receiving address. Okay? To put a receiving address. Okay? The more momentum I'm able to build through actually building the Hyperverse, because, you know, when you build a platform and everybody signs up and everybody starts doing things, okay, there's value generated. And if that value that is generated is going into your wallet, then I am paying you guys back.
Wow. Wow.
Even if it is 1 cent, 1 penny at a time, I am paying you guys back without asking you guys to put any more of your hard-earned money. Okay? That's what I'm doing.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow.
It is time for us to receive after giving up so much to the wrong people. Okay?
Wow.
Okay. So again, thank you everyone for attending the official Zoom. I want to also highlight that I really do need your attention right now. Let's just address the elephant in the room. I've got notified by the market through various leaders that corporate has decided to kill the HVT smart contract. But the reason why? No communication. But they're just going to kill it. Now, the thing is, everything's on a blockchain. The truth is recorded. Killing a smart contract does not kill your dreams. It doesn't kill why you came and believed in a pitch deck with my face on it. You all have dreams, you all have hopes, you all have ambitions, and now you have me. The last 24 hours has been a very busy 24 hours for me because I'm fighting for you. I have a number of things that I need to do, but I want everyone's attention so that you guys do it. And so we're 5 hours away from the Zoom for US prime time. I won't have much more information other than, please bring people here so that they can pay attention. There is a solution, but we all have to work together. Killing a smart contract doesn't kill our dreams. 2.5 hours ago, I've backed up all the HVT wallet addresses. I cannot see your HVT balance inside your back office because that's not on chain. All I have are just screenshots that you guys submitted through the 1x questionnaire. In addition to that, all I have now is the 27,000 wallet addresses that are visible in that smart contract. So my job now is to ask you guys to bring as many people and pay attention to all the official Zooms that I'll be participating in, because the next 48 hours is critical before they kill the smart contract. So give me 5 more hours. I won't be able to give you too much more information, but do this. In the next 5 hours, have them be part of this Zoom. US prime time Zoom is in 5 hours. There should be a little bit more information, but not too much more. But I need everyone's attention. They have set a timeline of finishing everything. And I'm not done. I'm not done helping you. I'm not done holding them accountable. I'll see you guys in 5 hours. Thank you.